What's up, y'all? This is Dom5280. For today, I got a special treat for y'all. For all you Honda Acura fans out there. My homie just got some pretty good stuff, so we'll see what. I'll let you guys see.
So we're going to be installing coilovers today on a 2006 Acura Tsx. I got some 10s, advanced Tsx coilovers that we're going to be installing today. So let's get this video started.
Guys, for today's video, these are the tools you're going to need. Flashlight, 14 size, wrench or socket. And you're going to need a couple punches, extensions, big ass flathead screwdriver, breaker bar, and a few other tools like WD-40. Make sure you spray it beforehand. Alright guys, we're going to be starting with the front. So you want to jack up your vehicle and take off the tires. So next you want to take these off, all of them, all 5 bolts off. The bigger ones are 14, all of them are Take off this bolt right here in the back. Oh, it's actually on the opposite side. And it's a 14. We gotta take off the bottom bolts to this hinge right here. This fork looking thing. Make sure you hold the other side. That was just doing. Yep.
Need the hammer. Knock that out, and the cool things you'll need.
And just bang this part out. It should slide right out. And use the punch. Alright guys, so if the bolt's not sliding all the way out while you guys are punching it, use a jack it up just a little bit. Then you can get the clearance you need.
What you done to my car, bro?
He's a good finger in.
She's a hoe. She's a dirty hoe.
Go on.
Fucking Bianca.
So now the struts should just drop. This is not a one-person job.
Not at all.
Just to let you know.
Air compressor keeps fucking coming on.
Yep. Okay.
Alright, 1 ounce.
Get this bitch out.
Old and ugly. New and pretty. Old and ugly.
Here we go. Nice and new. Nice and clean. This one should be a lot easier.
Line the holes up. There's 5 holes up here. Throw one of these screws on here so you can up. Put it back up a little bit. There you go. Ah shit, I think that's the right way. Alright, let's do this one. Cool. Just for some extra leverage. Step back on it again.
So now, put the bolt back in, make sure the holes are lined up. Okay. Punch it in. Take the bolt, put it back on. All right. Line up the top bolt.
We gotta use
But first, gotta use the jack stand again to make sure that this is sitting at the top level, the highest level that it can.
You said jack stand.
It's not jack.
No, what was a jack stand, bro?
No, I mean jack. I'm not American, man. I don't make these words up. Make sure that's sitting all the way in the center. Otherwise, you may get some issues that I don't think anybody wants to deal with. There we go. It's all the way down. Alright, putting this back up.
Yep. Tension gets tight on that quick when you have air. Best thing ever. You need one for this. I said, best thing ever. You need one for this.
Right.
No, fuck that manpower shit. We're lazy.
And this is how it's gonna sit. Oh, nice and pretty. Yeah.
Take it was what, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes?
Front.
Yeah. Backs are always the hardest. Everybody knows that. They decided to make things a little bit difficult, and to get to the strut top, I need the light. Flashlight, right there.
Gotcha.
You gotta take off this part of the seat, which is bolted on by a 10 mil that's right here, that you gotta pull down. And then you just pull up this part right here, the leather part right here, and it slides off, and then you have access to these two bolts back here. To make sure you do that, because that is a pretty important part.
There's a bolt holding the end links bracket up. Make sure you take that off.
Nice in the sky.
Oh, let me see something first. Don't tighten it in yet.
Okay. Oh yeah. I know what you're saying.
So,
I got you. Alright guys, we're all done. Let's take a look and see how it came out. Yeah, I need a new fender. Piece of shit.
it's all about the low life right now. All about the low life. All the way around.
Need a car wash too.
It'd be snowing.
It do be snowing. Too much.
Bad.
Just a huge pile of snow right now. We were saying it.
We're gonna test drive and see if we need to soften it or harden it. Depends on whatever the driver wants. You just use the dampening tool. Is this tool right here to make sure you get whatever the most comfortable ride for you. So
Yeah, let's go.
Dome 5280.